meeting of the OHDSI Phenotype Development Evaluation Workgroup. That's our OKR. We've done good progress this year. For today, I just wanted to touch on some topics that's actually going on and provide updates to the broader group and answer any questions or take any suggestions. The main topics are there is a OHDSI network study that is ongoing right now, led by Dr. Chris Macaulay from Johns Hopkins, and I wanted to hear if there's any update from Dr. Macaulay, and I also wanted to see if there's any updates from any data nodes. We are participating as a data node. We, as in my employer, Johnson & Johnson, for dermatomyositis study, and I can also give an update as a data partner. That's one topic. Is Chris on the call? I can't see. Okay. So in terms of what I know from Chris from an offline conversation is they are making good progress. They've received data from multiple data partners. We are in J&J. We're one of the data partners, and because dermatomyositis is a disease of interest for J&J, we have a approval process that we have to go through. And that approval process is almost done. The study has been executed inside the data sources that J&J has access to, and I'm in the final stages of trying to release the results as a data site. So that's my update on the dermatomyositis study. Any questions or comments? Okay. The next topic that's actually going on is the collaboration between the OHDSI Phenotype Library and the VA Cipher. VA Cipher is an initiative by the Department of Veterans Affairs in the United States that's providing a service to researchers, mostly the VA, but recently got open to the rest of the research community across the world. They have a site that hosts a library of definitions that could be used for a real-world data-based research. They also house quality measures and many other different types of metrics that could be used for non-research purposes. In the last year's AMIA conference, the lead of the VA Cipher, Jackie Honlaw, and I met, and we discussed if it was possible to integrate the OHDSI Phenotype Library with the VA Cipher. The premise of that was that these libraries follow certain principles, such as the principles outlined in the desiderata of phenotype libraries. And so we wanted to test if we can map libraries together and basically make these libraries in some form interchangeable or exchangeable. And so we, as a subgroup, we kicked off an effort. Jackie made several presentations to this work group and also several forum posts regarding the idea, solicited feedback, and we worked openly. As the current status is, we have successfully mapped the OHDSI Phenotype Library elements to the bulk upload format of the VA Cipher format, and that has been delivered. The components have been discussed, and the interpretation is now clear to both groups. And so the VA Cipher is executing a technical test of uploading the extract from the OHDSI Phenotype Library into the VA Cipher platform. Once that test is complete, we will provide them an interface to the OHDSI Phenotype Library to extract content and post into the VA Cipher interface. The advantage of that is the content of the OHDSI Phenotype Library becomes available to the VA community as a resource, and also to the broader research community. The VA Cipher comes with the backing of the Department of Veterans Affairs, which is a powerful collaborator, influential collaborator. And also, one of the missions of this collaboration is to promote the OHDSI Phenotype Library. So there is references to every component of the OHDSI Phenotype Library. The VA Cipher provides top-level information, but for granular details, they are referenced back to the OHDSI Phenotype Library. So this is a win-win situation, I believe, for the both groups. Jackie is also proposing writing an abstract or a paper on integration of phenotype libraries. She is in an advanced stage of draft of that paper or short communication. The idea is that the hypothesis is that phenotype libraries that conform to a certain standards, such as those specified in Desiderata, are interchangeable and exchangeable in content. And we wanted to test that hypothesis using this collaboration, and the report would state that it is a successful, that it is possible, and that we have successfully completed it. I think she's targeting AMIA conference, the AMIA Informatics conference in Chicago, I believe, in 2025.
I just want to say this is Jackie. I'm on the line. I joined just a couple minutes late, but
thank you.
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Go ahead, Jackie. I spoke on your behalf. If I misstated something, please correct me.
Oh, you didn't misstate anything. I just want to let you know I was here. Thanks. Go ahead.
Is there anything else you would like to add, Jackie?
No, we're just excited about this collaboration, and if folks have any questions, feel free to reach out. I've posted on the channel or reach out on Teams. So yeah, thanks, Gowtham. Nothing else to add.
Is there anybody with any questions or comments on this effort to Jackie? Great. The last topic is the OHDSI Global Symposium. This year we are thinking about having a round robin of innovative work that has been going on. Jamie Beaver is making progress on the idea of measurement errors. And this is a continuation of the work that was done as part of Phenotype February 2024. And so he's asked for 20 to 30 minutes to provide an update to the group. Jackie and her group has agreed to present their point of view on the collaboration and the value of the libraries, the integration of the libraries, for about 30 minutes also. Joel, you wanted to also take about 30 minutes time, right?
About 30 minutes, yeah, for probabilistic phenotyping.
Okay. And I'll take some time also as the moderator and provide context, and then to think from the perspective of what we did this year and what we want to do next year. Anybody else? Any other comment or ideas for the global symposium?
So it looked like we have two-hour sessions on Thursday, possibly to do. I wondered if it wouldn't be useful to have like a Cipher demo or something like that to sort of do a walkthrough, since we seem to have 4 hours to play with.
Sure. Yeah, whatever time you give us, we can do a demo, answer questions.
I mean, just to, because I mean, we're sort of talking about integrating, and if you want to show people how you might be using Cipher or accessing Cipher for OHDSI, it might be really helpful, and maybe we could record it too. And
yeah, that would be a great opportunity. So if we are able to at least successfully integrate some content by the meeting date, maybe we could get feedback from the people present about the usefulness and any improvement, so on.
Yeah, I'm sure we could get some comments on improvements or other things that are functionality that people would like to see or something like that.
Jackie, would that be of interest?
Yeah, that sounds great. It would be good to get feedback from the group as well.
Okay. So it's 4 hours. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it was 4
Yeah,
hours.
I pasted the link there. It's like it's a 8 to 10, and then there's a showcase, and then this 11 to 1 or something like that. Before lunch, there's 2 sessions in the morning on Thursday for. We don't have to use the 8 to 10 if we don't want to get up early in the morning.
Okay, anything else to talk about? The OHDSI Phenotype Library paper is still on my to-do list, and I've not made progress on it. Awesome. Thank you, everybody. I just wanted to take 15 minutes of your time to talk through this workflow or these topics, and looking forward to working with you all at the next workgroup meeting. Have a good day.
Bye, folks.
Bye, all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.